I don't usually get her involved, but I've got a question for you. Out of the white one and the copper one, which one would you pick? Ooh, I think that's grounds for divorce. Welcome back to Initial Speed. Today, we are off to Berlin Klassik. So we just stopped, of course, to get a little fuel. And this time around, we got a little convoy. So we've got a Tiguan and a Jetta. Let me give you a quick view. Nothing special, OE, stock, but this is what we're rolling with. A Tiguan over here, and a Jetta over there. Come along and see what kind of cars we get to enjoy. 2.5 hour drive. Again, the things we do, 4 cars that we want to see, and all right, let's see if we can pick out the ones we love the most and have a good time. Maybe if there's any time left, let's get back into the sun, catch some vitamin D. Not that vitamin D. So wish at the end, or if we have time at the end, maybe we'll hit the beach, cool down a little bit. Let's go. And after a long drive, we finally got here. Let's take a look and see what we can find. As per usual, you get the lineup of cars that you're allowed to rent. So, you know, California being my wife's favorite, we will look. Nice. And the Porsche.
I would have to lie down.
There's no room back there, but you know, you still love it. Excuse me, ma'am. What do you think of the red car next to you?
I think I like it. I want to take it home.
Only if it were that easy. And then, of course, you've got your R8 and your Huracan, both V10 engines. All right, let's see what else there is to see. Ooh, I spot a Ferrari. You know, I'm a Ferrari fanboy at heart. All right, let's see what we can get into. He's got the livery from the Jetta from Fast. Oh, it is a Jetta.
Yeah.
They just chopped the top. I thought it was an EOS.
Oh, whoa, hold on a minute. Hold on a second. That's not stock.
2-liter turbo.
Much bigger intake.
Yeah. Dang, son. McLaren? That's what I want. There we go. VR6 EOS, huh? A lot of vendors. Oh, little VR6 turbo action. This thing I'm sure boogies. Wow. It's got adjustable control arms. This guy has gone through this whole thing. Dang, look at the engine mount. I don't know if you guys can see that. I mean, it's definitely not a running car, but nonetheless, I'm digging it. about these guys? Did you win? So those guys did the limbo and they rested on the car to bring down the car so it could go under the limbo stick. You gotta do what you gotta do. Guns. Crazy. I know this was here a few years ago, and I said I didn't like it, but I can change my mind, right? Damn.
Oh, it's lifetime.
Love the details. Damn. Thank you, kind sir.
No problem, no problem.
Well, I've been won over. Alright, I'm gonna have to pick my favorite car at some point, and I'm gonna say that this is in there. Wow, that's detailed. Man.
We spent a lot of time on that.
Well, probably keeps him out of trouble, right?
Yeah.
Or at least that's the hope. Oh, that's sick. The dash actually says Volkswagen on it. That's pretty crazy. Got a little fan in the corner to help keep you cool. That is nuts, and I love it. Hats off. Are you ready? Oh, carbon fiber the hell out of this thing. Dash is done in carbon fiber. How many of you can tell me what this is?